Welcome to Sujan Fun Kitchen for Chakka Pradhaman for the upcoming festival of Onam and Ganesh Chaturthi. My recipe is simple and it's a little different using chana dal too. So please try this out. Soak the chana dal for at least an hour and pressure cook it till it is soft. Sorry friends that my recording of the pressure cooking of the dal process is missing. So this is the final cooked dal. While the dal is cooking, let's go on to chopping jackfruit into small pieces. I've used some 12 or 14 small pieces of jackfruit. That are very Chakka Pradhaman or Chakka Pradhaman is different from the conventional recipe because it uses both chana dal and jackfruit. So it makes the recipe less laborious. It's quick to make. Everyone can try this out. It's real fun to chop the jackfruit, especially with this French knife that I have. Yes, see? Wow, I really enjoyed chopping it. See? It looks fabulous. Wow. Make sure the jackfruit pieces are even. Only then the Pradhaman will taste good. Now heat some ghee. It's time to do the tempering of coconut. First coconut. What is a Pradhaman without coconut pieces? Yeah. Fry the coconut and then the cashew and raisins. Fry everything into a light golden color. And we are just going to keep the fried nuts aside, Yes. Wow. The ghee fried nuts look amazing. Pradhaman with the overload of dry fruits tastes heavenly. So don't forget to add lots of dry fruits. Now into a pan add some ghee and start frying the chopped jackfruit. Frying means just saute them lightly till the raw smell disappears or the rawness disappears. So let's proceed to the next step of the boiled chana. See, it's pressure cooked well. It's become mushy. So now it's time to add the jaggery. Yes, the powdered jaggery. And cook everything together. Let it blend together. Yes. Yes, it looks wonderful. Yeah, now add the fried jackfruit pieces. Yes, add them. Now combine everything together. Keep cooking. Please simmer your flame. And then keep cooking everything together. Yes. Can you smell it already? Yes, my kitchen is filled with smells. And now goes coconut milk. I added coconut milk. You could even add 1 cup of cow's milk. So now do take care to simmer the flame. And now cardamom powder. Let everything cook for a minute or two. And then add the dry fruits and savor the wonderful delicacy of Chakka Pradhaman. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video and press the bell notification. And thanks for watching my video. Bye and happy eating.